हिंदी स्कूल आपलं स्वागत करीत आहे. स्टँडर्ड 8 चॅप्टर नंबर 15 एरिया प्रेझेंटेड बाय MB जवर सर. सर्वांनी चॅप्टर नंबर 15 काढा. प्रकरण नंबर 15. आता एरिया म्हणजे काय? क्षेत्रफळ. मध्ये या ठिकाणी पहिल्यांदा आपण ट्रायंगलचं क्षेत्रफळ शिकू. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. दिस इज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. That name of triangle is ABC. AB is the height of triangle. BC is the base of the triangle. Then what is the formula of area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. Here in that triangle BC is the base and AB is the height. Height AB is perpendicular. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 BC into AB. We can write the formula of area of triangle 1/2 base into height 10 times. Next is area of square. What is the meaning of square? In square all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So area of square is side square. Therefore area of square, one of the side, that is side AB. So area of square is AB square. Then third diagram is PQRS. This PQRS is a rectangle. हा आयत आहे. मग area of rectangle is length into breadth. PQ is length आहे आणि PR काय त्याची breadth आहे. PQ and RS is the length and PR and QS is the breadth. Therefore area of rectangle length into breadth, area of rectangle PQ into PR. Then we can study parallelogram. What is the meaning of parallelogram? In parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel to each other. In that quadrilateral, opposite sides are parallel to each other. Then that quadrilateral is known as parallelogram. In that quadrilateral ABCD, AB and CD is parallel sides. AC and BD is also parallel sides. Therefore, area of parallelogram is base into height. Here AE is the height of that quadrilateral. Therefore, area of triangle, area of quadrilateral ABCD is CD into AE. CD is the base and AE is the height. Then we can study practice set 15.1. सर्वांनी 15.1 काढा. If base of parallelogram is 18 cm and its height is 11 cm, find its area. This is very simple. We can write the formula of area of parallelogram is base into height. Here base is given is 18 cm and height is given is 11 cm. Then we can write 18 into 11, this is 198 square centimeter. Then second example is if the area of parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter, find its height. Then area of parallelogram, formula of area of parallelogram is base into height. Here we can give area of parallelogram is 29.6, base is 8, we can find the value of height. Then height is equal to 29.6 divided by 8. Then height is equal to 3.7 centimeter. Third is area of parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.4 centimeter, find the length of its base. Then we can write the formula of area of parallelogram base into height. 83.2 is equal to base into 6.4. Then we can find the value of base. Therefore 83.2 divided by 6.4. We can solve this. Then we can write base is equal to 13 centimeter. Here three examples is given in 15.1 practice set. We can solve all of them. Then next is rhombus. Rhombus म्हणजे काय? याला म्हणतात समभुज चौकोन मराठीत. मग समभुज चौकोन म्हणजे काय? की ज्याच्या चारही बाजू समकेळ असतील. In that quadrilateral all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Angle नहीं, फक्त all sides are equal पाहिजे. Then ABCD is a rhombus. Therefore what is the formula of area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is 1/2 into product of diagonal. Here diagonal are AC and BD. AC and BD is the diagonal of rhombus. Then we can solve practice set 15.2. Example number 1 is length of the diagonal of rhombus are 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find its area. Therefore, area of rhombus is 1/2 into product of diagonal. Then we can write 1/2 into 15 into 24. Then we can divide by 24 by 2. This is 12. Then 15 into 12 is 180 square centimeter. Second example is length of the diagonal of rhombus are 15 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find this area. Area of rhombus is 1/2 into product of diagonal. Area is 1/2 into 16.5 into 14.2. Then divided by 2, that is 7.1. 16.5 into 7.1 is 117.15 square centimeter. If the perimeter of rhombus is 100 centimeter and length of diagonal is 48 centimeter, what is the area of quadrilateral? This is very hard example. We can see this quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Here AC, BC and AD is the diagonal of rhombus. Then diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular, bisect each other. AC is equal to 48 centimeter. Therefore, OA is equal to 1/2 into 48. Therefore, OA is equal to 24 centimeter. Side of rhombus is perimeter is given. Therefore, divided by 4. 100 divided by 4. That side of rhombus is 25 centimeter. In triangle OAB, angle AOB is 90 degree. AB is equal to 25 centimeter. OA is equal to 24 centimeter. Find OB. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to OA square plus OB square. That is 25 square is equal to 24 square plus OB square. 25 the square is 625. 24 the square is 576 plus OB square. Therefore, OB square is equal to 625 minus 576. This is OB square is equal to 49. OB is equal to 7. Then we can write BD is equal to 2 into OB. Therefore, BD is equal to 2 into 7 is 14 centimeter. Therefore, diagonal of rhombus is 14 centimeter. Then lateral is area of trapezium. Trapezium is in trapezium one pair of opposite side is parallel. One pair of opposite side is parallel. That is AD and BC is parallel. Then area of trapezium is formula 1/2 into sum of the length of parallel side into height. Sum of the length of parallel side is area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to sum of AD plus BC. This is the parallel sides. Then we can sum this 1/2 into AD plus BC into height is AE is given. Then practice set 15.3 in quadrilateral ABCD, AB 13 centimeter, DC 9 centimeter, AD 8 centimeter. Find the area of ABCD. Then AC is the quadrilateral is this quadrilateral is trapezium. Therefore, area of trapezium 1/2 sum of the length of parallel sides into height. Therefore, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 1/2 into AB plus DC into AD. 13 plus 9 is 22 into 4. 2 4 is 8. The 22 into 4 is 88 square centimeter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral is 88 square centimeter. Then second example is length of the two parallel sides of trapezium are 8.5 centimeter and 11.5 centimeter, and its height is 4.2 centimeter. Find its area. Then area of trapezium is 1/2 into sum of the length of parallel sides into height. Therefore, area of trapezium is 1/2 into 8.5 plus 11.5 into 4.2. Then sum this 11.5 plus 8.5 is 20. Then we can divided by 20 by 2. This is answer is 10. 10 into 4.2 is 42 square centimeter. Area of trapezium is 42 square centimeter. Then next is third example is given. You go. For third example is quadrilateral PQRS is isosceles trapezium. PQ is 7 cm. Segment PM is perpendicular segment SR. Length SM is 3 cm. Distance between two parallel sides are 4 cm. Find the area of PQRS. Here is in textbook given example is here given in quadrilateral PQRS is isosceles trapezium. PS is equal to QR. Draw segment PM QN perpendicular to segment SR. Then quadrilateral PQNM is a rectangle. Then PQ is equal to PN. MN is 7 cm. MN is equal to QN 4 cm. Then therefore in triangle PMS and triangle QNR we can show these two triangles by congruent by hypotenuse side test. Therefore we can find the value of SR is equal to SM plus MN plus NR. This is 3 plus 7 plus 3, that is SR is equal to 13 cm. Then area of quadrilateral PQRS is 1/2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Therefore 1/2 into PQ plus SR into PM, that is 1/2 into 20 into 4, that is divided by 2, this 10 into 4 is 40. Therefore area of quadrilateral PQR is 40 square centimeter. Then area of triangle, one of the another formula of area of triangle, when height is not given, then we can write the formula is area of triangle is in square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C.